Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. I was originally going to call this video timing of initial business visa and work permits, but it's not really the thrust of this video. What we're basically talking about here is the first business visa and work permit you get, basically when you first get your business visa and work permit here in Thailand. I'm specifically talking about this from the context of somebody coming to Thailand to set up on their own, to set up an SME, set up a company here. That first work permit and business visa, quite honestly, it's akin to passing a kidney stone. I'm not kidding. I've done it myself. Now, granted, 15 years ago, bit of a different thing than now, but not that different. We do them all the time for folks, and the most frustrated that I see clients in the context of corporate setup and getting their business visa and work permit and their ducks in a row over here, the time I see them most frustrated is right before it issues, because it just feels like it's nonstop paperwork, oftentimes nonstop costs. Oftentimes these folks are getting their own business set up simultaneously, and they're kind of sitting around wondering, when's my work permit going to issue out and all of that. I understand the nervousness. I've been there myself. I totally get it. That being said, we get business visas and work permits issued basically on a daily basis. And yeah, if we seem a little nonchalant about it sometimes, it's because it's kind of what we do. But I do get it. And I do get that first work permit and business visa, especially you're oftentimes dealing with people that have a relatively limited experience with Thailand compared to folks like, for example, myself, have been here a relatively long period of time. It's a little bit frustrating and it can get disheartening, but don't lose hope. There is a process for doing it. Does the system move as fast as we would otherwise like? Not really. But at the end of the day, if you get all your ducks in a row and you do it right, you're going to end up with a business visa and work permit here in the Kingdom of Thailand.